With this fried rice, it starts from slicing and cutting the spring onions. Then there's the ham. In 2 separate bowls, beat eggs. In the first one, add salt and a little water. This is for the scrambled egg. In the second bowl, beat another egg. This is to coat on the rice. In a non-stick pan, heat up a generous amount of oil on high heat and cook the scrambled egg. I usually test the temperature by dropping a little bit of egg. If it pops up straight away, it's ready for cooking. Now it only takes about 20 seconds to cook. Push the bottom part to the side of the pan to let the rest of the egg cook. Move it a few times until you don't see any runny egg. Then take it off the heat. Now on low to medium heat, add some more oil to sear the diced ham for a few minutes. Then push them aside. Turn up the heat, add oil and fry spring onions for a few minutes. Then add rice and coat it with a second bowl of egg. This helps separate each grain apart and you get that fluffy fried rice. Add some more oil whenever it looks dry. Delicious fried rice is cooked in a good amount of oil. When it's all mixed well, add the scrambled egg. Stir fry on high heat to let the moisture out. Again, add oil whenever you need to. Season with salt, white pepper, and soy sauce. Do a final toss. All done.